Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically use Canva. Super simple to do. If you go to home here, you can see your designs. You can even design from a template, or you can create one using Canva AI. Now, I usually start a design and look around on like templates and stuff, and I kind of base the design a little bit around that. So if I go to templates here, you can find whatever you want, your design type, maybe for social media. For instance, it's about food, and then it's like for like an Instagram post, and like for the style, it's maybe creative. So then you're just going to select whichever one you want, or you can start fresh by just creating a new design here. So here, Instagram post, for instance, you can start your design fresh here. You can add in elements, there's text, you can upload photos, there's some tools here, apps, and etc. And I'm just going to select this, for instance. You can change the color of text. Now for shapes, for instance, there's like sides here, so there's like no longer, I guess, just like hexagon shapes and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.